The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com. Today is Tuesday night, 10:35 p.m. So trades taken on Monday and Tuesday I'm going to show you on this video. But before I show you, let me tell you this, that because of the coronavirus, the whole world is upside down, you know that. And because of that, the stock market is crashing, and the volatility have increased big time in forex market, and it has become very dangerous. The forex market, the daily ranges have increased. Pairs like EURAUD putting like 500, 600 daily range. Everything is moving hundreds of pips every day, and not only that, but the same day you will see the big up move and then big down move, and it's like all over the place, all these pairs. So be very, very careful. You need to have some kind of system, like I have my Magic IB system. So let me show you how I am dealing with this situation. Here is the trade. Let's get started here now. So on Monday, on the 16th, and the Tuesday today is 17th. So the 16th, this is the first trade that the pair is dropping. My analysis Sunday, I said this pair is gonna drop. Pound weakness, so it dropping, and this is how you have the exact precise entry. My SL almost got hit here, and even if it does, or it would, then I would make an entry here again, or here maybe after SL hitting I will make an entry again. So this is the beauty of this setup, that it gives you entry again and again and again and again, even if you have SL, and even if my SL hit here, that would be on a break even. So I was saved here, and then the price 190 pip, right? And the next trade, you will see this is what it is. I made an entry here. Now this is 60-minute chart. I didn't make an entry based on this chart, but this chart was a setup. This thing was keep dropping. I had a couple of times I had my SL hit, and so I wanted to get this thing somehow. And then finally I saw this setup is building here, and then I made an entry from the 20-minute chart. But here's my entry here, and then I held nice and clean for 350 pip. You can see here from 78 it went up to 82. Okay, so this is how Euro Aussie went on Monday. Then CAD Yen, by the book entry, beautiful entry here with the system, right? And this indicates all the way up, blue candle turning into red, yellow is below the black, by the book entry, and then came down, and even went up, came down, went up, and at this point it was more than 100 pip. The next trade you can see here on the 16th, Euro Aussie, again after the retracement, after that big move, again that's what I'm talking about. That big move happened, 350 pip, then it dropped, and then it started to go up again, and then I got in again, and then I made 130 pip one more time on the 16th, the same day. This is how crazy this market is right now. Okay, and here pound yen, after dropping it start to go up. Here's the entry to go long. That's what I'm saying. The same day you will see the pair going down, and then again the same pair going up big time. Usually it's not the case, but right now that's what's happening, and God knows how long is gonna be doing the same thing. Sorry, I'm having hiccups. So that's what the 16 went, and then this is how the Monday, and then this is Tuesday today, 17th. You look at that USDCAD, but the entry was from 16th. It didn't move on the 16th much, so I held on it because it was on a break even, sitting on a break even, never got hit here, and then it went up all the way big time, 220 pip. That's how it is. And even the US CAD that hardly moved 40-50 pip in a day, moving like that. Pound USD, by the book entry, there was another. The first entry was here, which got hit. Maybe I lost like 10 or 15 pip, and after that make an entry here, and 190 pip from there to there. So and then the 17th USD yen going up here because of the USD strength. You saw the USD CAD went up, so that way, and then similarly here USD yen supposed to go up, and other USD pair like Euro USD, Pound USD supposed to go down, and I caught that Pound USD to the downside, right? So when USD is getting strong, this is what happens. and this is, how much is it? 150 pip. And then I think the last but not the least is Euro Aussie again. Just now, a little while ago, I closed this because it went up, but it refused to go up and start to make the turn. But it's still here, 70 pip more. And then I think it went down and probably go up later on. I don't know, but it came down nice and clean around this daily pivot. And that's about it. So these are 6, 8 or 9 trades, but they are all, you can see that how big they are. Don't get me wrong, my SL hit like 6-7 times in this whole, in these 2 days. But my SL is always like, if I make an entry here, my SL is right behind this low, right? So it is 25-30 pip nowadays. It's just a little bit more. Usually it's less than 25, but now the ranges are big, right? So it's sometimes 30, even sometimes 35. So yeah, if I have hit that maybe 5-6 times, but look at the amount of pippage that these trades have given me: 75 pip, 50 pip here, 150 pip, 190, then 220, and here's 100, and here is 130, and then before that was 100, and then 350, and Monday 190. So that's you can count yourself how many pips, right? So hitting my SL hitting 6-7 pip for 25 pip each, no big deal. That happens. That cost of the trading, right? That's how it is. So if you want to get the system and if you want to learn it, getting the system is not. See, there's I made somebody put a comment on my video saying that there is no such thing as magic. He literally think that I'm offering some kind of black magic something trading. How absurd it is. I mean, I'm using this term just oh yeah. So anyway, so that's just an example, man, that this thing works like a magic. But no, there is no way that I'm teaching magic. Magic is completely out of the thing. But it's so amazing thinking and seeing that people really think that I'm offering magic. What kind of nonsense is that? So, but the thing is that this setup, this system, if you learn the system properly from the monthly chart. Nowadays, I'm not looking at the weekly chart. I'm looking at the monthly chart. The moves are so big, the weekly chart's not giving the good big time or big picture, right? So have to use the monthly, and then down to 40-minute and then 20-minute entries. Okay, it is a system that you have to follow. You have to learn and you have to follow. But the reward is big. You can see that. Again, I'm gonna go over 190 pip. Watch, 350, 100, 130, 100, 220, 190, 150, and 75. These are the trades. This is the smallest trade that I have, 75 pip. Okay, so you can do the same. Again, a word of advice: be very, very careful. Price can turn, and in any given moment, if it is going up for no reason, it will make a turn and then go down. Okay, so be very careful. Learn how to use the SL properly and use it, because in a blink of an eye, the price moves 200 pip, and you don't want to be negative in 200 pip. Okay, so be very careful. And tomorrow I'm going to have a webinar. If you want to be a part of it, go on my website, subscribe so that you can be a part and then get the join the webinar and learn all about the pairs and how to make the entries and get this system. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.